Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be twisting my hair. A couple of you wants to know how I do it and stuff. So I have my leave-in conditioner here mixed with water, so that's what's in here. You can use anything that is your leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to be using the Canton shea butter coconut curling cream here. So this is what it looks like. This smells so good, guys. It smells so good. So I just dyed my hair again. If you didn't watch that video, and I already moisturized my hair. So what we're gonna do is just a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Don't do it extremely wet. The more wet, the more time it's gonna take to get dry. So I will put a little bit. And then I'll go ahead and just start twirling my finger and just drop. Twirling and drop. You guys, I can't see the back, so basically that's what I do, and I let it dry. Air dry it. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't sit under the dryer. You can if you want to, but it's too hot for me to be sitting under the dryer. So I'll just air dry it. This is no particular way or anything, guys. You just gotta take it. Your arms do hurt though. Yeah, you guys, so you guys, that's what I'm going to be doing. It's very easy, and but the only thing is your arms. I'm gonna have to take breaks here and there, and yeah, that's just the reality of it. So So I'm gonna show you here again, and then I'll go off camera and finish, and then I'll come back and show you all. Alright, you guys, so I'm just gonna let this air dry, and I will come back when it's done. You guys look a mess, right? I think when it's air dry is the best, and just let it air dry. But if you're in a rush, you don't want your hair to look like this going out, you can sit in a dryer, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna let it air dry. And yeah, what do you guys think about this spicy amber hair color that I have? All right, I am all done with this hair. As you can see, it's not completely dry, but it's enough for me to leave the house and go about my business. So I just want to show you guys how this look. Normally when it takes like 4 to 5 days, I will unravel it and then give it like that afro look. But for right now, I'm just gonna rock it for 3, 4, 5 days and then take them out. So let me show you. So yeah, that is it. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one.